What if I told you there's a place hidden in plain sight that builds the future not in days but in mere seconds? A colossal structure in the heart of the Texan desert where silence reigns, yet the roar of innovation echoes worldwide. Forget everything you thought you knew about manufacturing, because inside this one factory, Tesla isn't just making cars, they're detonating a silent revolution that's reshaping our entire technological landscape. And the most mind-bending part? A brand new car rolls off the line, fully assembled in an astonishing every 20 to 30 seconds. Yes, you read that right. This isn't just another massive building. This is Giga Texas. At first glance, it might appear to be an architectural marvel stretching as far as the eye can see, but step through its invisible gates and you'll quickly realize this is no ordinary assembly plant. This is the physical manifestation of Elon Musk's most ambitious dreams brought to life. It's where more than just vehicles are born. It's the crucible for the world's most advanced technology. From the futuristic lines of the Cybertruck to the family-friendly agility of the Model Y, every inch of these groundbreaking machines originates here at a pace that seems almost supernatural. But that mind-boggling production speed, a new car every 20 to 30 seconds, that's just scratching the surface of the enigma. Deep within the colossal structure, hundreds upon hundreds of robotic arms operate with relentless precision, working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without the slightest hint of fatigue, without coffee breaks, without complaint. And here's the truly astonishing revelation. This entire megafactory is largely autonomous, orchestrating its own operations, managing its own workflow, healing its own minor glitches. Musk himself refers to it as the machine that builds the machine, hinting at a manufacturing ecosystem so advanced it borders on science fiction. You see its satellite images, and it's like glimpsing a city from a distant galaxy, a testament to what's possible when human ingenuity meets boundless automation. You might be wondering, how can a factory possibly run itself, and what happens when a machine malfunctions? The answers lie deep within its digital veins. We often fixate on a car's sleek exterior, its impressive range, or its cutting-edge features. But have you ever paused to consider the sheer scale and complexity of its birth? How are these marvels of engineering conjured into existence? A walk through Giga Texas isn't just a tour, it's an immersive experience, a journey into the heart of tomorrow. Here, the lines between human and machine blur, and the choreography of production is almost hypnotic. You'll witness fewer human hands and an orchestra of hyper-intelligent machines, each thinking, acting, and reacting with an almost biological intuition, churning tirelessly around the clock. At the epicenter of this industrial ballet stands the legendary Giga Press. The very name evokes raw, untamed power, and believe me, it lives up to it. This isn't just any hydraulic press, it's one of the heaviest pressing machines on Earth, capable of exerting an unimaginable 10,000 tons of force. To put that into perspective, imagine the collective might of over 2,000 fully grown elephants compressing a single point. Its primary mission, to forge massive, intricate sections of the car's frame in one seamless movement. This revolutionary approach doesn't just expedite production, it fundamentally strengthens the vehicle's structural integrity. Where traditional car manufacturing once required dozens of welded parts and countless hours to assemble a car frame, the Giga Press accomplishes the same feat in a single, earth-shattering press. This isn't just efficiency, it's a paradigm shift. But the Giga Press is just one player in this symphony of automation. Next, we'll dive into the intricate network of AI-powered robotic arms that form the factory's nervous system. Beyond the immense power of the Giga Press, you'll encounter an army of long, slender mechanical limbs, the robotic arms. These aren't just industrial tools, they are fully programmed, tireless extensions of the factory's central AI. They never falter, never tire, and their speed makes human operations seem almost glacial. Whether it's delicately lifting a component, meticulously securing a joint, or applying a flawless coat of paint, these robots execute every task with an uncanny precision and velocity that genuinely defies belief. And what's truly extraordinary is their capacity for learning. A mistake made once is logged, analyzed, and corrected automatically in subsequent operations. This isn't just automation, it's a constantly evolving intelligence. Humans within this ecosystem aren't replaced, their roles are elevated. They are the strategic thinkers, the data analysts, the problem solvers for tasks requiring the most delicate, superfine control and intuitive decision-making. Yet the relentless march of technological advancement here is clear. Giga Texas is rapidly evolving towards a future where human involvement will primarily be supervisory, overseeing the grand ballet of automation rather than participating in its mechanical movements. Imagine a factory that literally never sleeps, never stops, and operates without a single traditional shift schedule. That's the chilling reality inside Giga Texas. The most staggering aspect of this facility is its perpetual motion. Giga Texas operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, unfazed by weekends, holidays, or the traditional rhythms of human labor. There are no time clocks, no shift bells, no manual handovers. The entire complex runs on a hyper-integrated network of sensors, sophisticated software, and self-optimizing AI algorithms. If a machine encounters even the slightest anomaly, the system immediately flags it, dispatches an alert, and, if necessary, seamlessly activates a backup unit. This isn't just smart, it's a self-healing factory, a living, breathing industrial organism. Every component, every robotic arm, every movement within Giga Texas is a data point, constantly being recorded, analyzed, and optimized. This continuous feedback loop ensures unparalleled production quality and immediate defect detection, a critical factor in the unmatched reliability of Tesla vehicles today. This constant vigilance, this relentless pursuit of perfection through data is a core differentiator. But how do materials and components move around this gargantuan humanless landscape? Prepare to meet the silent workforce you never knew existed. Adding another layer to this futuristic puzzle are the AGVs, automated guided vehicles. These aren't just glorified forklifts, they're intelligent, self-navigating robots, silently ferrying materials and components across the factory floor. No human driver, no remote control, just pure autonomous movement. They sense their surroundings, navigate complex pathways, avoid obstacles, and even manage factory traffic with an almost eerie intelligence. Giga Texas truly represents a seamless fusion of technology and production, a nexus rarely witnessed in contemporary industry. Here, Elon Musk's grand vision is not merely coming true, it's becoming the standard, transforming car manufacturing from a manual, labor-intensive process into a symphony of complete automation, a marvel of modern magic. But why such an immense investment? Was this simply about making more cars, or was there a deeper strategic play at hand? Driving past the Colorado River near Austin, Texas, you'll encounter a structure that, at first glance, defies easy categorization. Its massive, elongated form gives little away. But when the truth dawns that this is Tesla's largest, most advanced factory, the scale of the achievement truly hits home. Giga Texas is so immense that it could comfortably house the equivalent of 15 full-sized football fields under its roof. Yes, 15! Its inauguration was no quiet ribbon-cutting. Elon Musk, true to form, dubbed it Cyber Rodeo, an event that transcended a factory opening and morphed into a full-blown rock concert. Dazzling LED displays, pulsating music, the debut of the Cybertruck, and tens of thousands of cheering fans. The world watched, captivated, and rightly so. When the planet's most disruptive car company unveils a facility of this magnitude, it doesn't just make headlines, it writes history. But the real question isn't what it is, but why? Why such an immense, unprecedented facility? Tesla already possessed factories, of course, but Musk's ambition extended far beyond simply building cars. He aimed to forge an entirely new system of thought around manufacturing. His vision was to elevate car manufacturing to the scalability and efficiency of smart. However, the unsung hero, the true engine of innovation behind all these vehicles, is the 4680 battery cell. This isn't just an ordinary power source, it's Tesla's next-generation super-powerful battery, manufactured on an unprecedented scale right within Giga Texas. Traditional Tesla batteries relied on numerous smaller cells. The 4680, however, is significantly larger, boasting greater energy density and delivering more power with fewer individual components. Its advantages are manifold. It dramatically extends the vehicle's range, allowing for greater distances on a single charge. It charges significantly faster, reducing inconvenient charging stops, and its extended lifespan promises years of reliable performance. Crucially, the 4680 cell also drives down Tesla's production costs due to its streamlined design and enhanced output. This isn't just good news for consumers hoping for more affordable EVs, it's a blaring alarm bell for every other automaker. Giga Texas isn't merely a factory anymore. It's a dual-purpose incubator, birthing both the vehicles and the power cells that will define the future of mobility. All this orchestrated with such advanced automation that it feels like we're glimpsing a robotic metropolis, offering tantalizing previews of tomorrow, today. How much impact can one factory truly have? More than you can possibly imagine. We're talking about shaking an entire global industry to its foundations. Imagine a single factory capable of producing over 2 million cars annually. That's not just a production plant, it's a seismic force that reshapes an entire industry. And that's precisely the transformative power of Tesla's Giga Texas. Production here isn't merely fast, it operates on an entirely different plane of existence. Elon Musk's audacious target for this facility is an astounding 2 million vehicles per year, translating to 2 million individuals receiving a new Tesla annually, each packed with technology years ahead of the competition. This isn't just a number on a whiteboard. The factory's sheer speed, gargantuan scale, and embedded AI technology are rapidly converting this vision into an undeniable reality. This relentless pace has sent shockwaves not only through Tesla's sales figures, but also through the entire global auto industry. Companies that once dismissed Tesla as a niche luxury brand are now grappling with the stark realization that this company is aggressively conquering the mass market and at an accelerating velocity. Legacy giants like Ford, General Motors, Toyota, and Volkswagen are scrambling to overhaul their EV strategies, desperately attempting to replicate Tesla's manufacturing prowess. But they're slowly, painfully realizing that Musk's innovation isn't merely a car brand, it's an innovation powerhouse, a relentless engine of disruption. Through Giga Texas, Elon Musk has demonstrated that he is far more than a savvy entrepreneur, he is an architect of the future. He has fundamentally redefined the very concept of manufacturing, proving that car production can be as swift and scalable as a software process. This disruptive philosophy has compelled other companies to dismantle their archaic systems and embrace entirely new paradigms of thought and operation. So, will Giga Texas cement Tesla's position as the world's #1 car company? The answer is a resounding yes, and potentially even more, because Tesla's ambitions now extend beyond cars to batteries, robotics, AI, energy systems, and fully autonomous driving. Giga Texas has become the mission control for this expansive endeavor. Tesla vehicles no longer simply run on electricity, they run on data. And this data is meticulously analyzed every second within the factory, constantly refining and enhancing the intelligence of their cars. This data-driven approach is why legacy brands are furiously forging partnerships, lobbying for subsidies, and frantically recalibrating their strategies to compete. But Musk is not one to rest. His next target? The most cars at the lowest price with the most advanced technology imaginable. And Giga Texas provides the perfect launchpad for this audacious goal, churning out vehicles not just for America, but for the global markets of Europe, Asia, and beyond. In the fiercely competitive arena of the auto industry, the battle for technological leadership is paramount, and Tesla, from its Giga Texas command center, is decisively pulling ahead. In the not-so-distant future, when affordable high-tech Tesla cars flood our roads, people won't wonder where they were made. They'll simply declare, "This is the car of the next era." And that era, my friends, is being forged every single second inside Giga Texas. But what about the environmental cost of such immense production? Prepare to be surprised by Giga Texas's hidden mission to redefine industrial sustainability. When we envision a colossal factory, our minds often conjure images of towering smokestacks, deafening noise, and pervasive pollution. But Tesla's Giga Texas shatters these antiquated notions. This factory doesn't merely produce cars, it pioneers a new paradigm for industrial operations, one that seamlessly integrates with nature. Elon Musk has always championed a future where not only the vehicles themselves are electric, their very creation is sustainable. From its inception, Giga Texas was meticulously designed with a zero-carbon emission objective, minimal pollution, maximum greenery, and unparalleled energy efficiency. The sprawling roof of the factory is adorned with an expanse of solar panels, capable of powering a significant portion of the entire plant. Imagine a structure of this immense scale generating its own electricity. Beyond power generation, a sophisticated water recycling system ensures that water wastage is virtually eliminated. Lush green spaces encircle the factory, fostering ecological balance with the surrounding environment. Giga Texas isn't just a factory, it's a living testament to Tesla's unwavering commitment to a sustainable future, proving unequivocally that technology and environmental stewardship are not adversaries but synergistic partners. When vision is aligned with innovation, both can flourish. Building a factory of this magnitude is one thing, but constructing it during a global pandemic? That required a level of defiance that few thought possible. The journey to construct this monumental facility was fraught with formidable challenges. The initial selection of the site itself was a strategic masterstroke by Musk, a location boasting central logistics, ample access to power and water, and a supportive policy environment for the EV industry. Austin, Texas emerged as the ideal candidate. However, securing the land and navigating the labyrinthine governmental approval processes was far from straightforward.